Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today I would like to share with you a very simple but interesting topics: how to generate barcode or QR code using native plsql. Here is a demo for QR code. So let us start for practical session. First, create a blank page to display the barcode using plsql code. Here is the page definition for displaying the barcode. You can generate barcode or QR code in various formats using this plsql. All credit goes to the plsql package. In Apex, nothing for Apex page. All credit for the plsql package. Here only the display and all the package from the database to generate the barcode or a QR code as you wish to display or generate or use for as per your requirement. Here taking some parameter for generating the QR code or barcode, and another for displaying the images of barcode or QR code. Here is the display item for image of barcode or QR code. This item is responsible for the image source. Take a button for generating the barcode and write a dynamic action to call the plsql package. Here is the package which is generate the barcodes raw data. First two are mandatory, second is not mandatory, it's optional. First one is the value which you want to generate barcode, and second one is format, which format you would like to use. Here is the various type of formats SQL. Here is the JavaScript function to display the image when changing the source or format. When changed, the image will also be changed. There is a little bit change which I make earlier. This is the main task. Execute the code into the database to generate package. I have already copied it into the notepad, and that copy and paste on the SQL commands and to create the package on the database. Here is the body. Yes, package created. That's it. Here is the QR code, various type of data matrix QR. Here is the barcode for UCPA, various type of. Now create another page to print the sticker. That's mean if I have a item of multiple 10 items, then we need to generate 10 copy of the barcode to attach on that item, every item. That's why I need to print 10 copy of a barcode. Here I showing that process how to generate multiple copy of a single barcode, single item. It's also simple, not so tough. Here is only a fill SQL block. Here input two parameter, one is for item and one is for how many copy you want to generate. Here is the plsql code for displaying the numbers of barcode you want to print. The main part is of this process is to that package. This package is created on the database and called from the Apex base. That's it. Create a button to view the generated barcode. Here I am trying to generate the EN13 type barcode. Here is a barcode generated as per your input count item. That's it. If found helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.